Cancer. When your dreams become intense, emotional, familiar, or connected to family and past memories, that is not random. You are ruled by the moon. Your dream world is naturally strong. When something shifts in your life, your dreams react first before your outer world does. You feel things before they happen, but sometimes you doubt your own sensitivity. This phase is about trusting what your inner world is showing you. If you want your personal dream decoded deeply for love, career, or family, sessions start at $9. I also offer a $99 monthly membership for continuous guidance and pattern tracking. Now we go card by card. Full depth. The first oracle card is emotional overflow. If you are dreaming about crying, hugging someone tightly, being abandoned, or searching for someone you love, this shows emotional buildup. Cancer holds emotions quietly for a long time. You protect others first, you process later. Dreams become the release valve. You may wake up feeling heavy or deeply sentimental. That means something inside you needed expression. Notice who is in the dream. If it is a current person, there may be unspoken emotion between you. If it is someone from the past, there may still be unfinished emotional energy. Within the next 2 weeks, a conversation or emotional realization may bring relief. Do not hide your softness. It is your strength. The second oracle card is home and security reflection. If you dream about houses, especially childhood homes, damaged houses, moving houses, or locked rooms, this connects to security. A strong house means inner stability. A broken or messy house means emotional instability or stress in family or personal space. Pay attention to rooms. Bedroom connects to intimacy. Kitchen connects to nourishment. Doorways connect to opportunity or boundaries. Within the next month, something about your living situation, family dynamic, or emotional foundation may shift. Strengthen your personal boundaries gently. The third oracle card is protection instinct activation. If you dream about protecting a child, defending someone, or standing between danger and someone vulnerable, this shows your caretaker energy is strong right now. You may be worrying about someone in waking life more than you admit. Or you may feel responsible for others' emotions. The dream shows your instinct to shield. But ask yourself, who is protecting you? In the next 10 days, create space where you receive support instead of giving it. Emotional balance is necessary. The fourth oracle card is past memory healing. If someone from your past appears, especially an ex, old friend, or family member, this is not always about them returning. It is about emotional closure. Cancer remembers deeply. Even when you move forward, the emotional imprint stays. Notice the feeling in the dream. Peaceful, painful, angry. That emotional tone shows what still needs release. Within the next 3 weeks, you may feel ready to forgive or emotionally detach in a healthy way. That creates lighter energy. The fifth oracle card is financial emotion link. If you are dreaming about losing money, searching for coins, counting cash, or feeling anxious about bills, this is not just about finances. For Cancer, money connects to security. When you feel emotionally unsafe, financial fears increase. Even if your situation is stable, your mind may create worst-case scenarios at night. Notice how you feel in the dream. Panic means fear of instability. Calm problem-solving means you are stronger than your fear. Within the next month, you may rethink a financial decision. Not from fear, from protection. Small adjustments now create long-term peace. The sixth oracle card is intuitive warning. If you dream about water rising, storms, flooding, or unstable weather, this is emotional intuition speaking. Water in dreams is your emotional state. Calm water means peace. Rough water means overwhelm. If the water feels threatening, ask yourself, where am I ignoring my emotional limits? You may be tolerating more than you should. In the next 14 days, trust your first instinct about a person or situation. Your body already knows the truth before logic catches up. The seventh oracle card is relationship mirror. If you dream about your current partner acting distant, affectionate, secretive, or different than usual, this is emotional awareness. Sometimes dreams exaggerate fears, but sometimes they highlight subtle shifts you sensed. Pay attention to the feeling more than the action. Did you feel secure or uncertain? Within the next 3 weeks, Clarity in a relationship will surface. Instead of reacting emotionally, observe calmly. Emotional control strengthens your position. The eighth oracle card is Boundary Awakening. If you dream about locking doors, closing windows, blocking someone, or walking away, this is boundary energy rising. Cancer is loving but can overextend. You give chances. You forgive deeply. But eventually, your subconscious says enough. Repetition in these dreams means you are ready to protect your peace. Within the next 10 to 20 days, you may say no where you used to say yes. It will feel uncomfortable at first, but afterward, you will feel lighter. Cancer, your dreams are not trying to scare you. They are strengthening you. Affirmation for you. I trust my emotions. I protect my peace. I choose security and balance.